Hello and welcome. Everybody who creates games in Unity loves Asset Store because there are many assets there. So what about uploading your own assets to Unity Asset Store? In this lesson, we will be talking about creating publisher account and uploading our own assets to Unity Asset Store. While doing that, I will be uploading an underwater effect assets that I created. To talk about my asset, let's start the project to see the effects better. My aim to create this asset was to make the scene more realistic by adding a fog effect and also adding a wave effect. To upload your asset package to Asset Store, you have better take all your materials, scripts, shaders, and whatever you have in one folder as I made so. To upload our assets, we need a tool named Asset Store Tools. To get this, let's search as Asset Store Tools. And down here, click on Asset Store Tools. By the way, we need to sign in, and if you don't have an account yet, first you need to create an account, then sign in. And then click on Add to my asset. Click Accept. That way I added this asset to my assets. Then click Open in Unity. And I let the browser to open that in Unity. As you see now, I can see that package in Package Manager. Click Download and then click Import. While all are selected, click Import again. By the way, I'm using Unity 2020, and in this version we cannot connect Asset Store in Unity, and we have to connect Asset Store by using our browser. So you can use any browser to connect Asset Store to get Asset Store Tools, and in Unity you can come to Package Manager under Window, and clicking My Assets you can find Asset Store Tools there. Now I close Package Manager tab, and also I don't need Animator anymore, and close that. Now let's come to uploading our packages. As you see, we have an Asset Store Tools menu at the top now, and under that click on Package Upload. If you read carefully, it says that our account is not a publisher account, and we have to sign in with a publisher account. If you have a publisher account, you can sign with that account here. If you don't have a publisher account yet, click on Create Publisher ID. Let's close that. I'm coming back to browser, and down here click on Create a new Unity Asset Store Publisher, and here we need to fill that form to create publisher account. First we need to choose a profile picture that needs to be 160 by 160 pixels, and I'm setting that. That's good. And we need a publisher name, and also we need a website, and we get some error. We need to start with HTTP or HTTPS. Let's start with HTTP. And here we need to write our website link again. You can write your phone number here. You can again write your phone number here. You don't have to, by the way. And here we need to upload a promo media image, and that needs to be 1100 pixel by 800 pixels. Or if you have a promotional video link, you can upload your video by putting your video link here. I will upload a promotional image that I created before. And here we can write something about our company. Of course, we don't have to have a company, by the way. When we come to below, click on Save and Preview and accept terms of service, then click OK. And it says your publisher profile has been successfully created. Now we have a publisher account. Click OK and come back to Unity. Click Asset Store Tools again and Package Upload. As you see, we don't get the error message about publisher account anymore. Now it says to upload our package, first we need to create a package by using Publisher Portal. Now click Asset Store Tools and Publisher Portal, and here come to Packages, and to create a new package, click on Create New Package. Now I'm not going to make any changes for the package. Maybe I can select a category for my package. We don't have to do that right now. We will come back to that page again and click Save and OK. Version saved. If we click on Go Back, you can see unnamed package listed here. I'm coming back to Unity again. Click Package Upload once more, and as you see, we have our unnamed package here listed. Now we can upload our package. Down here, click Select to select our folders under Assets that we want to upload to the Assets Store. Click Select, and under Assets, select your folder and click Choose, and then click Upload. And we get the message Upload successfully. That means the folder we have selected uploaded to the Publisher Portal. Click OK and come back to Publisher Portal again. By the way, if we click on our package listed here, will take us to the portal page. Now we need a title for our package. As you see, we can input our title here. So we need to come to down, and under Metadata, we click on Edit. We can change our title here, and also we can put our description here. So first put our title here. And input our description here. By the way, we need to use HTML tags here. For new line, you can use BR, and to make our text strong, you can use strong tag. And aware that not all the HTML tags are accepted here. And also, we need some keywords. Let's put some keywords here, and then click on Save. As you see, our metadata is saved, and click OK. Now we can click on Go Back, and as you see, our title is changed. When we come below, here our version, we can put our version notes here. And also, if we upload a new version, we need also increase that number. And here we should say whatever changes are made in this version. And we set our category here that fits best our asset. Let's say you have a character model in 3D. You can set 3D models, character, animals. If your asset is animal and it's specifically a bird or fish, you can set so. And here you can set your price for your asset, and your price needs to be not under below $4.99. However, you can set it as free. We come below, we set our metadata. Let's come to key images. Click Edit. Here we see icon image, card image, and also cover image and social media images. And here we see the image sizes here that our uploading images needs to be. Taking this into account, we will prepare our images and then upload one by one. Let's click on Choose File and select our image, and then come to Card Image, choose File, select our image and click OK. So select Cover Image and click OK. And lastly, we have social media image, and it says on this image there will be no text or logos are accepted. We don't have to load this image, so I'm leaving that image. Click on Go Back. Now let's come to audio and video. Click Edit. Here, if you want to load an audio or a video, you can click Choose File and select your audio or video file. If you have a link to that video, you can just put your link here and click Upload Link. And I strongly advise you to create a video file that shows and explains your package, because whoever want to buy your asset would like to see what's in your package. And go back again. And finally, you can upload your screenshots here by clicking edit. Come to down, select that to accept the package is totally our own assets, and accept that and click submit. And here, if you want to send some messages to unit workers who are going to check your packages if appropriate, you can write anything about your package includes or how to use it. And finally, click OK to submit. And we get some error. It says click edit in section 3. Third section, click edit. Here we have some questions and we need to answer all the questions here. First, it's asked that which platforms our package is working without issues. I will select all. And second question asks in which version of Unity our asset works without issues. And I select 2019, 2018, and also 2017 versions. Here we are asked compatible renderer pipelines, and if you don't have any knowledge about renderer pipelines, I advise you to Google about renderer pipelines before selecting your choices. And I select standard because I didn't test it for the other renderer pipelines. And on the final question, we are asked whether our packages depends on any other asset on Unity Asset Store. And I click no, because my asset doesn't depend on any asset on the Unity Asset Store. And click save. And once more, come to very end. Then I click I swear that package is my own asset. And click submit. And click OK. And the version is submitted. And after Unity checks out our package, if there's no issues, our asset will be on Unity Asset Store, hopefully. Thank you for watching. See you next time.